Hello everybody. Today I will run Duino Coin miner on Savio TV box in Termux. First we need to download F-Droid Store, simply find it in Google. Install it and update repository, it sometimes take time. I download CPU info to show you TV box parameters. After need to find Termux application. Installing it. Today I have low internet speed connection. After installing Termux, open it, and first I need to do update packages. Run in console package update command. Wait while packages will be updated. Sometimes need to approve installation. After I will install Python and Git. Run command in console package install Python Git. Approve installation. Next I need to clone Duino Coin miner repository from GitHub. Run command git clone https://github.com/revox here/duino-coin.git. Wait while it downloads. Next need to go to cloned repository directory. Run cd Duino Coin. And try to run python pc_miner.py. I get error that I have not installed module requests. Run command pip install requests. After that try run miner one more time. Run python 3 pc_miner.py. Miner starts and installs all requested modules. After modules installed, miner starts automatically. It asks to enter username of Duino Coin wallet. Next. Set mining intensity, recommended is 95%. Next. Set mining threads, I choose all available. Next. Select mining difficulty you want to use, I use low difficulty. Next. Do you want to add an identifier, name, to this rig. I prefer to set names of rigs. Enter desired rig name, writing rig name. Next. Set developer donation level, 0 to 5, recommended, 1, this will not reduce your earnings. I chose 1. Miners started, and now waiting for new rig in Duino Coin wallet. Savio TV box hash rate is 273 kilo hash per second. This is funny, 10 ESP32 can do more. Please subscribe to channel and you never miss new videos. Thank you for your attention.